Imagine creating a professional, eye-catching video in just minutes. No editing skills, no expensive software. With just a few clicks, AI will do all the heavy lifting, transforming your ideas into polished, high-quality content that is ready to go. Whether you are a content creator, a business owner, or simply curious, I'm about to reveal the latest free tools that make video creation faster and easier than ever. And here is the best part. Stick around till the end because I will show you a secret tip to unlock all this completely for free. Ready to dive in? Let's make video magic happen. To start, go to Google and search for Mootion with double O. Click on the first link. Now, Mootion is a website that makes it super easy to create videos, even if you have never edited one before. You can choose from a lot of templates, add your own text and pictures, and even make videos in different languages. Mootion can turn text into video, add animation, and even animate video clips to make them more fun and engaging. It's perfect for students, teachers, content creators, and anyone who wants to make cool videos for school projects or YouTube without spending a lot of time or money. To start, go to the Mootion website and create an account. You can use your email or create a new one. If you are creating an account but don't want to use your personal email, or you are tired of receiving tons of emails every day, there is an easy solution. I will show you a website where you can get a temporary email without signing up. First, go to Google and search for temp.mail. Click the first link, and as you can see, the website automatically generates an email address for you. You can either click here to copy it or scroll down and click the copy button. Now, go back to the Mootion website, paste the temporary email, create a password, and click sign up. You will need to confirm your email first. So to do this, return to temp.mail and you will find all the received emails at the bottom. Open the confirmation email and click the link to verify your account. Now you might be wondering, why use a temporary email instead of my personal one? Here is the reason. Mootion offers 200 free credits on their free plan. Once you have used up your credits, you can generate another temporary email and repeat the process to get more credits. I am here to help you on your video creation journey and provide as many free resources as possible. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss on a new trick. Now, let's get back to creating. Once you are logged in, click on Use My Content. Here, where you will write the story of your video. But of course, we are not going to write a single word. ChatGPT will do the work for us. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a short story. For example, let's ask it to make a story called Sarah and the Talking Bunny, with 5 short stories scenes. ChatGPT will create the scenes, and you can copy and paste them into Mootion. When you paste the text, remember to delete the scene numbers so they don't show up in the final video. Now in Mootion, you can customize your video by choosing the size to match the platform where you will publish it. You can select from different languages and pick up a video style. I will go with the 3D cartoon style for now. Once you are ready, click Generate. This will use about 20 credits from your free plan. I'm using only 5 scenes here to keep it short and simple, but you can make your video as long as you need. 5 minutes, 10 minutes or more. And remember, when your credits run out, just go back to temp.mail, get a new email, and sign up again to keep creating videos for free. Look at this amazing work. The images are clear and the characters look fantastic. Mootion does a great job with video creation, making it look professional. Now click Next, where you can choose the font and the style for your title and subtitles. You can also add scene effects, scene transitions, and even voiceovers. Add more background music to make your video more fun and engaging. When you are ready, Click complete, and the AI will start creating your final video. Let's first take a look at the video.
The discovery one sunny afternoon, Sarah was playing in her backyard. Suddenly, she heard a soft giggle behind the bushes. Curious, she pushed the leaves aside and found a small white bunny with bright blue eyes. To her surprise, the bunny said, "Hello, Sarah." Sarah gasped and stared in shock. "You can talk." The new friend Sarah sat cross-legged, listening as the bunny introduced itself. "My name is Whiskers," it said, twitching its little nose. "I've been watching you play for weeks and wanted to say hi." Sarah laughed. "I never thought I'd meet a talking bunny. What else can you do?" Whiskers winked. "I can tell stories about magical lands." The magical tail Whiskers began telling Sarah about a hidden meadow filled with dancing flowers and trees that sang when the wind blew. Sarah listened wide-eyed, feeling as if she could almost see the sparkling grass and hear the melodies. "Maybe one day, I'll show you the way there," Whiskers said, hopping in a playful circle. The secret plan Sarah and Whiskers decided to keep their friendship a secret. Every day after school, Sarah would rush to the backyard to hear more stories and play games. They laughed together and whispered about their dreams of adventure. "Promise me, Sarah, you'll always believe in magic," Whiskers said one evening as the sky turned pink. "I promise," Sarah whispered back, squeezing Whiskers' tiny paw. The goodbye for now. One day, Whiskers told Sarah, "I have to go on an adventure of my own, but I'll come back." Sarah felt a little sad but nodded. "I'll wait here for you," she said. With a twinkle in his eye, Whiskers hopped away and disappeared into the forest. Sarah smiled, knowing that one day her talking bunny would return with new tales to share. Until then, she held on to the magic in her heart.
Now, you'll notice that the video comes with a watermark, but don't worry, I will show you an easy trick to get around them. You can download the storyboard, thumbnails, and video, but downloading the video directly requires a paid subscription. Here is the simple trick to get it for free. Download the storyboard instead. This saves all the images from your video, which you can use to create it for free. After you download the images, go to Google and search for Clipchamp, or open it if you already have it installed on your computer. Create an account, then import all the images from the storyboard and arrange them in order to match the story. Make sure you select your images in the right order. Here I have images, so I will select image number 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now we need a voiceover to bring the story to life. Go back to Mootion, copy the story text, and then go to 11 Labs. This site has a lot of voiceover options if you don't want to record your own voice. I personally use my voice to record my videos, but sometimes I use 11 Labs to create voiceover for shorts or other animated videos. Now you can use your email to log in, or generate a new temporary email if you prefer. You can go back to the temp.mail and use their email instead. That way, you can have more credit to generate voiceovers for free. Sign up, confirm the registration, paste your script, pick a voiceover, and click Generate. Once the audio is ready, download it to your computer. Go back to Clipchamp and add the audio to the timeline. Arrange the pictures to match the length of the voiceover so everything lines up. You can even add subtitles to your video. Click on Caption, then select Try It Now and Transcript Media. Choose your language, font size, style, and color. Click Generate and watch the magic happen. This will add subtitles to make your video look even more professional and engaging. Of course, you can adjust the video further to make sure each image matches the voiceover timing, but this is an amazing way to create quality videos quickly and for free. I'm here to help you create awesome videos with easy steps. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy creating!